அடுத்து சிறப்புரை வழங்க வர இருப்பவர் டாக்டர் பண்ணை எம் கார்த்திகேயன் அவர்கள். 11 பட்டப்படிப்புகள் மற்றும் பட்டய படிப்புகளை படித்த கல்வி வித்தகர். மத்திய அரசு நிறுவனத்தில் முதல் வகுப்பு அதிகாரியாக பணியாற்றி பொதுப்பணிக்காக பணி துறப்பு செய்தவர். எம் கார்த்திகேயன் அன்கோ நிறுவனத்தின் நிறுவனர் என்ற சிறப்புக்குரியவர். பண்ணை பொறியியல் கல்லூரி, பண்ணை பார்மசி கல்லூரி, பண்ணை கேட்டரிங் கல்லூரி போன்ற 30 நிறுவனங்களை உள்ளடக்கிய பண்ணை குழுமத்தின் தலைவர் எனும் மகுட பெருமையை பெற்று வருபவர். அரிமா சங்கத்தில் மெல்வின் ஜோன்ஸ் உள்ளிட்ட பல பதவிகள் வகித்து டெபுட்டி கவர்னராகவும் பதவி உயர்வு பெற்றவர். சேவை செம்மல், சேவாரத்னா, இருதய பாதுகாவலர் என இவர் பெற்ற பட்டங்களை பட்டியலிட்டால் ஆன்லைனில் நேரம் போதாது. தமிழக அரசின் உயரிய விருதான சிறந்த சுயதொழில் புரிபவர் எனும் விருதை பெற்றவர் இவர். நமது சிறந்த முன்னாள் மாணவர் விருதையும் பெற்றுள்ளார். கட்டுரை வடிப்பதிலும் கைதேர்ந்த இவர் 2 தமிழ் நூல்களையும் ஆக்கியுள்ளார். இத்தகைய சிறப்புக்குரிய ஆடிட்டர் டாக்டர் பண்ணை எம் கார்த்திகேயன் அவர்களை உங்கள் அனைவரின் பலத்த கரவொலியோடு சிறப்புரை நிகழ்த்த அழைக்கின்றோம்.
There was an orator, an extempo speaker. He was on the way to deliver his speech in a meeting. In between, in the opposite direction, an hungry lion was coming. It was about to kill him and eat him. That speaker said, "Oh, my lion, king of this jungle, there is no problem that you are going to kill me. But one small request. I am a good speaker. I will speak for you 2 minutes before you. Then you kill me. I am ready." Lion also agreed. This speaker started speaking. 1 minute he completed. That lion fainted. This man started running away. He had left about a furlong. That lion slowly half opened its eye and checked whether that man has left or not. Because that lion after that it said, breathed well, "Oh God, you have saved me from that speaker. Don't think that I will bore you. Let me be short, if not sweet, as brevity is the soul of wit." The patrons of this alumni associate, Reverend Father Rector, even 40 years back, who gave me the opportunity to conduct a seminar to the Jesuits in St. Xavier's College. He was also one of the leaders for my speeches, Reverend Father Peter Sengol. Our most charming and very learned and respected principal, Reverend Father Aroki Sami Xavier. The catalyst of the education in India and in the world, Reverend Fathers belonging to the Jesuit Society, all the chief guests like Napoleon Farmer Minister, Mr. Srinivasan USA, and our Reverend Father Felix from Kolkata, and other persons who took over the charge of the chapters, which are spread in few cities, which are going to spread throughout the world. Our presidents of the chapters, awardees who are going to get this award, and especially the person who has come in person, Krishna Kumar, Executive Director, Dalmia Cements, strength providers, faculty members of this great college, strengthers, non-teaching staff, our fellow Josephites, our crown has got a few jewels, our students, guests, friends, media, press, and police. Our professor who introduced me so well, For all of you, my good evening, good morning, good afternoon. St. Joseph's is the platform to me. It gave me the light. It depicted the path. It connected me to the people. It imbibed me regularity. It infused discipline, severed blessings, took me around the world. I have got such a regard to Jesuit fathers and this Josephite. This quote is because of St. Joseph's. The car I have come is because of St. Joseph's. I came from a very hilly village. This place gave me all the things to be in the world level. As our father principal said, we Josephites are spreading the fragrance throughout the world with the characters what we have learned in this great institution, St. Joseph. Actually, in the moon, Neil Armstrong stepped in and shouted that I am the first man in the world, in the moon. I am the first man in the moon. After a few seconds, there was a voice, Cheta, you want tea? They used to say that Malayalis will be throughout the universe. But our Josephites are in the throughout the world, from pin to plan, from top to bottom, with their own high qualities. We can see that. I can't forget the untireless effort of my father before 45 years for an admission in this college for PUC. And because of the generosity of the fathers, I could get an admission. I am able to have such a good life. If I don't recognize those great personalities such as Reverend Father C.K. Sami, Reverend Father Francis Valapalli, Reverend Father Dias, Reverend Father K.P. Joseph, Reverend Father Paki Raj, Reverend Brother Titus, Reverend Father Xavier Alphonse, Reverend Brother John Acunas, our professors, Professor Vellur, Professor Benis Fernandez, Professor Veerabagu, Professor Victor Louis Santuan, Professor Arul Jagannatha Raj. It will not be fulfilling if I don't mention those great names even after 45 years. In this ground, Professor Rengarajan of Botany Department used to conduct the Master of Ceremony. The entire ground will shiver by the command of the English of our Professor Rengaraj. I could learn the art of Master of Ceremony through him. Whatever the functions conducted by St. Joseph's College, it will always be extraordinary because of the efforts taken by fathers with utmost fabulousness and the extraordinary care taken by the faculty members. I am running institutions. I know how it's difficult to run institutions, that too in this high level with utmost meticulous programs. In 1976, examination was going on in the Lawley Hall. One person in the age of about 40 or so, he was copying with the bit, with a bit. The invigilator went and reported to Reverend Father Francis Valapalli. He came inside and caught hold of the back collar of that malpractice student and dragged him out like a police officer. That much discipline is imbibed in this institution. St. Joseph's has got a very, very great image in the public. If you go out, you can understand that. If you say Trichy, St. Joseph's is an important place like a monument. We can feel that when we go out only. I am able to speak this English means because of Father Dias. He was warden. He has to run all the 4 blocks of new hostel for roll call and come back. 8 to 8:45 will be the silent hour. After silent hour, he used to ask me write 10 sentences in a page and take it to him for correction. He will correct it and explain. That only made me to speak this much of English. In India and in the world, fathers and sisters only have improved education and medical facilities. We can very well say that. Even the institutions run by other people also, it is by the products of Jesuits. You take VIT, Viswanathan is a Jesuit product. Take SNR, Sivanadar is a Jesuit product. If you take in our area, Pannai Group, I am a Jesuit product, I am a Josephite. If you, especially students, if you go out, if you say that you are from St. Joseph's, that it will speak and you will be selected, you will be awarded and rewarded. That can be felt. Some time back, Reverend Father Thomas, present principal of Loyola College, had been to my pharmacy college. He was very lavish in appreciating the buildings. He said, this is how French fathers have built our Jesuit institutions. You see the Loyola Lolly Hall, such a gigantic building with great magnitude. In those days, without technology, without machinery, they have built it. The fragrance of this college can be felt only in the public. Fathers are doing their best to the public, especially they are giving the development to the society at large. I will go on be keeping, I know that our stomach is pinching. With this, I take this opportunity to thank the Jesuit fathers for having bestowed such an opportunity to be the chief guest. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
பண்ணை எம் கார்த்திகேயன் அவர்களுக்கு மனமார்ந்த நன்றிகள்.